Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to uninstall or remove extensions from Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. To remove or uninstall extensions or add-ons from Arc browser, first open Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC, then click on this one settings icon in the top left corner, then hover mouse over extensions and then click on this one manage extensions. In the extensions page, locate the extension you want to remove and then click on this one remove button. Again click on this one remove extension button. Now that particular extension will be removed from your Arc browser in Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.